Let's suppose this is your ceiling and this is your electric ceiling box. And here is what your ceiling usually looks like from the normal angle. The first step is turn off your power. And next, you have to take out the mounting disc and the screw pack from the box. The screw pack comes with 4 different screws. The first one is for the wood. The second one is for the electric box, the ceiling box. The third one used to fix the chandelier to this mounting disc. And the last one is for the ground cable, ground line. But in this tutorial, I will not use it, so I take it out. And next, we will have to screw the ceiling screw to the electric box. We can first use our hand to help, and then use the screwdriver. But remember, don't be too tight for the ceiling screw. It's okay. And next, we have to install the mounting disc. Just make sure all the wires go through the middle hole and turn right, and it's fixed. After we put the mounting disc up, we have to make sure we screw all the screws very tight. And then we will use the wood screw. You can pick any 2 opposite sides. Just make sure it's balanced to support the mounting disc. And next, we will take out the light engine and its remote. In some model, they even comes with another remote. It's for the LED lighting system. But for this tutorial, we're not gonna use it, so I take it out. For the light engine, it comes with 1 black wire, 1 white wire, and 1 remote cable. On the back side, here's a switch that you can turn it on and off. And the front side here is where the light comes from. And next, we will install the light engine. We just simply put it in and then use the sharp screw to screw it and fix it. And the next step is connect the wires. Connect the black to the black, white to the white. Don't mix up the remote cable. The remote cable comes with the plastic in the end. And the white cable, there's no plastic in the end. So you can use this kind of tool to test it. If it turns white, it means there's electricity going through the wires and it's dangerous. So you will first hold them together and use the connector. Just put them together and twist. Until it's be very tight. You can try to put it out and make sure it's very tight and nothing will be put out. And I also suggest you use the electric tape to tape it after you connect them together. And the next step is connect the fiber optic to the light engine. When you're trying to connect the fiber optic to your light engine, you have to find the perfect curve and then connect it. After you connect the fiber optic to the light engine, there's a screw here. You have to make sure you screw it and make it tight. The fiber optic can be curved but cannot be bent. All the fiber optic can be curved, but don't bang it, because once you bend any fiber optics here, the light will not go through the fiber optic, so your drops, your chandelier, will not light up. Before we close this fiber optic chandelier, we want to test if the light source is working fine and all the fiber optic is working fine. So we will have to turn on the switch on the back side of the light engine and your power. And we will test it. Turn on the power. And it's working. And now we will close the fiber optic chandelier. You can see there is a rolled sticker around your fiber optic chandelier, and this means inside your fiber optic chandelier there is a screw. So what we're gonna do is use this screw to support and hold the fiber optic chandelier. We will put the screw in the mounting disc and twist it all the way up, and then we will use the screw, the sharp screw, to fix it. So next, we will put it up and twist it. Just make sure the screw is fit. And after you put it up, just twist it. And it's holding. So after we put it up and twist it, it's holding the fiber optic chandelier, but we still have to use the screw to fix it and screw it. And the last step is unpack the fiber chandelier. Just be very carefully because you don't want to bang any fiber optic. After you unpack your fiber optic chandelier, you will see some fiber is still curved, but just give it some time. It will fall all straight and become the perfect shape you order.